Hey guys, it's Jordan with WTI. I'm back because I have 3 of these V-neck t-shirts that I love from Imily on Amazon. They're awesome. It's not your standard t-shirt, but it's not a blouse. It's kind of that in between, so they kind of fancy up a little bit without getting too blousy, you know what I mean? Check this out. The sleeve, it's fitted, but it's not tight. It stretches. You have a scallop neck up here that goes to a V-neck. I have a tank top on, a little bit more modest, but they come in tons of colors. This one is the black, extra large. The size is right on point for the chart, so make sure you look at that. And they wash really well. I wash it, I dry it on low, I hang it right up, and we're good to go. So when you guys are ready to upgrade and not just your standard t-shirt with your jeans or with your skirt, and you want something different, look at the Imily Women's V-neck t-shirt. And that's my point of view.